Pour toothpaste into the Fanta. It might sound weird, but the results are truly surprising. Close the bottle and gently shake to combine. Fanta contains fruit acids and carbonation, which are perfect for this method. Prepare a larger bowl and carefully open the bottle. Pour the mixture into the bowl. Then add 2 tablespoons of your favorite dish soap. It cuts through grease and blends well with the other ingredients. Next, add a tablespoon of baking soda, renowned for its versatility. It neutralizes odors and has mild whitening properties. Mix everything thoroughly until the consistency is smooth. Before proceeding, take the empty bottle cap and use a knife to make a small hole in the center. Then, strain the mixture through a funnel into a spray bottle. This cleaner is ideal for removing burnt-on residue from pots and pans. You only need a little, and they'll look brand new. Say goodbye to scrubbing and damaging pan surfaces. It's a powerful, chemical-free clean with results that surprise.